In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create smart forms in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your marketing tab and locating right here your actual options for your actual marketing. Onto this case, let's choose lead scoring. Once you're in there, click onto this start from scratch and then choose right here how you want it to be. You can create a form and how you want to actually subscribe or how you want to actually regulate them. You can choose between templates if you want. So let's head over and use this one template. Add the necessary fields that you want to include. And after that, you just need to click onto the settings or gear icon. So we need to actually make this smart form. So you can choose between general option and then heading over and then creating this or making it smart or using progressive fields. You can also configure follow-up options for this as well. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.